Binawi lang doon. Nagpakinig ka nila sa walang takot. 20 first Michael Sosin. Dahil sa 15 seconds on the shot clock. Yung substitution, Vito Cruz at itong si Yana papasok to take a switch in the possession of their teammates. Yung 5 minutes and 49 seconds, 7-15 to the 22 points. And that's a grounding violation for Yana. And that's a very bad. Nakakapasok lang pero ito na gano'n ganito mga turnover. That's 5 minutes and 22 seconds para sa ating third quarter. That game down.
Kokoy again. Yes, sir! Very big. 3! This fellow player, that's a player number 19, Alagara. His first personal foul, first team foul for this time para sa dito sa Team Crips. At Kokoy Gikan have a 4 times on the outside arc since the first quarter. Talagang pinataob ang AC for 12 points again. AC 12 points sa outside lang yun. At walang kay hirap-hirap for Kokoy Gikan. At what is time at 4 minutes and 24 seconds. That's Sosing. 15 on the shot clock. Balik dito. A.B. Scarte. Take another ball possession. Yes, sir! No! Back on the lead para dito kay Michael Sosing. The good E1. Oh, sayang. That is it. Coast to coast play para dito kay Wawi Yana. Magaling yung diskarte niya. Talagang hindi niya na pinakawalan nun kahit na meron kang kampe. That's easy diskarte lang. 50 shot lock. That's good down to 10. Looking at the ball possession. That is all good again para dito kay Michael Sosing. Oh! Huli! Sayang, but